Hello guys. Well, my name guys, doing this in general. This is assignment 5. This is the layout we're supposed to make. This is written in Spanish. I will drop whatever was written here, I'll drop all of this in the description. You can copy it from there. Okay. So we'll be making it using HTML5. Now, the difference between HTML4 and HTML5 is basically for HTML4, we were using div tags and we were classing the divs to make it into separate areas. Okay, like for header it's a different div, and then for content it's a different div, and all of that. Okay, so for HTML5 we have specific tags. Now, according to our Excel specification, we'll be doing the tags we've studied in class, we taught in class. So we studied section, let me show you. We studied section, where we're going to need in this assignment, we need the section, we need header, we need navigation, we need HTML is already given, header, and then there's another one, which is footer. Okay, we'll also need a side. It's in the in section. We need a side and article. I'll leave this link in the description as well. You can check it out yourself. Anyway, so we'll be using those. So let's start. First, this meta tags. If you want, you can include these in. I use this because it's like for my ease and it looks kind of clean, or it's like how I like it. Make sure you use a separate CSS file. Well, first we'll start with the header. So the header is a great header, so we'll port each one and then we can show content with the template. And this one will be 8.6. There are like 6 different header types: H1, H2, H3, H45, and 6. They differ, like each font size differs differently. So we've got like a break there, and then I will do styling first for the header. First of all, we want to style the entire page first. The asterisk sign basically is for the entire thing, where this entire page looks like everything. So if you want to, you can use box sizing for this, or like I use box sizing so all of the things I use will be in the same height and not height, width. Okay, so this is what box sizing does. If your first div, or let's say for example this is the header, this is your section. If there are 2 different widths, okay, box sizing will basically do so. You don't need to define the width, you only need to define it with once, which is the width of the page, and you don't need to define any of the other widths because they will all be equal. And if they go out of page, you can change it with margin. Okay, so I'll be using box sizing. You don't really need to do box sizing if you don't want to, but it's easier. So box sizing order books using that. For font, I'm going to show you this with later, so we'll keep it empty for now. It's up to width to 1000 px, and the auto is up to language. We'll set the letter space to 0.1.px. I'll show you why this is helpful. Actually, let's keep it without clarity. First, we're going to start with tag. For HTML5, if you're using tag like elements which already exist within the language, you don't need to put a dot before it. You only need to put a dot if you're using class, and if you're using IDs, you have to do hashtags. Okay, so we'll change the background color to I've already written like the colors which will name. So this is similar to that. Given in the template, and then you can set your on like no, you can't set your own color because the sir mentioned that it should be exactly like the temple, or you can set something so to the temple and color thing. And this will be this. Okay, let's save this, and this is what it will look like. So the width is 1000 pixels. We've done this and that, and then this is what it shows. So we're supposed to do this is H1 and then H6. This looks a bit bigger, see the difference? There's a big difference. So we'll be going to finding the H1 and the H6 separately. So we'll be using the selector thing. Okay. So by using selector, you can do header H1 and then you can do color. The green color uses this export, and the font size also 45 pixels. And for the H6, goes the color is 529 eait. This is a bit darker from the H1, and the font says I want it like a really small because it's like in the template. Of the X and the position has to be related or on the set of dapibus. Okay, this is the look. Okay, we've already made it a bit similar. See. Yeah, the font is different. I'll explain that later. Okay. I won't be showing the template much now. I'll give you guys a glimpse of it right now. This is the glimpse. Okay. We'll be doing exactly this. So I have the template in my head. Let's continue. First, we need a navigation bar. So we can use a hashtag for it in the link, and then we can make a button with the homepage / button. Oh yeah, button. Yeah, so we want this up here. Okay. Was it mentioned? Oh, I didn't finish it. Okay. So there's 6 of them: homepage, blog, photos, about, links, content. Blog, photos, about, links, and content. Right? This is how the game looks like. So for fix okay, to fix that, first I'll have navigation, declare navigation first, and then we'll have it display as inline block. The original same as this one, not this one, this one. The one is the E6. With the height, pixels, but I'll show you a border place this one is open with 1000 pixels from telling. Okay. Before you do the navigation, make sure you do the buttons. Okay? So we'll use selectors obviously. Nav button. So set the 200 pixels and the background color the same as this. The border to left and the color to right. The text I added control because I wanted to make it perfect font, like exactly on second page. But you don't really need to okay, you can feel good about this. And this is how it looks like. Okay, now we want to adjust this. So we can either do it by adding, or we can do it by lining. I did it by lining, so it's more easy to do. So set up 40 pixels. Border radius is basically if you put like, see, it's more rounded. So the more you define it, the more rounded it will become. Okay. Next, we have, okay, so let me show you the template. In the template, see, if you, it seems like a hover, you can hover on top of it, it's dark green, right? So the way you do it is you do button and then hold, and then the background color become a dark one. This is obviously, is this? Or is it not a dark one? Give me a second. Oh, within brackets, there are things which have been already declared. Some conditions first, and then we have okay. Oh, it seems like it sticks out. If it sticks out, then we'll decrease the line height, which is here. Okay, so that means the line height stays the same. The button of it, 45. Okay, is this. So this 6, you can experiment. You can see perfectly aligned. But this left aligns to 39, so 40. That's good. And we set up the then we already got that. And the next thing we're gonna do is a test. Okay, good. Next thing we're gonna do is clear how put the thing. So we put two breaks and then we clear the image. Okay, the image you can get it from I'll what do you call it, drop it there as well in the description. But I just added put it with this. Okay, and then you'll add the break, and this is how it will look. It's already easy, the width is already defined because we did talk about it. So next we'll put an section. For the section we will declare the side and then declare an article. Now for this article we have to declare a class. We have to stand specific by showing the you can write here that this is for the first character. First character only part of the area, and then within this sorry we will have space and this is the okay, so the bottom part is basically the thing. Here there's two parts. One, we have to do this, and we can't use display flex because if we use display flex, this welcome to the commercial area, it's set to the right, okay, we can remove that stuff. So we'll use that also. Yeah, so we have a paragraph, copy and this one is also H2 and then have category H1 well defined. And then I set them as length. You don't really need them, you can just put this as and then this is probably simple. Okay, done with that. Okay, now let's style. First of all, for the lengths in the category, or the like I know where I can do the inputs and the first of all, the demo section, pixels, so that's the line in that. Find the weight, make sure you become the whole because it's half things and you do I want to clear the time. I posted around 50 pixels and from the left, just 50 pixels. No, I'll add a border before okay. The HR and stuff, I'll tell you how to do it. And the paragraphs outside. Okay. So to fix this, to fix that, we will use the class. So the first class is 1. So the taxonomy is the left, the pixels, the weight is also defined, and position, etc. And next one is select paragraph selector, we'll use padding top and pixels, just align just so far, and the weight is 310 pixels as this is the actual width is defined, the font weight is 4 and padding pixels. Okay. Now we want to style the H2 as 1 H2 and comma 2 H2 and insert the column like to the font is 5. The capitalization of yeah. So it was voice sounds effect. It's 6. So define the H2 3 pixels, margin of 5 pixels and position the product within the okay. Let's see how it looks. Yes. Okay. Markerize this head. Okay. Seems like I this super. Oh, category is the second. Okay. So for category, I will be doing 2 when the width is also 10 pixels, position is local, and the top. Because top is when you do top, it's like the opposite. So if you do top, it will create a gap on the top. If you do bottom, it will create on the bottom. Left is will create a left and right. It's basically that you shift it to the left. If you do left, you will shift it to the right. If you do right, you will shift to the left. Okay. Let's style out numbers. So this style type display see, that's how okay. Next, we'll do our okay. So after that side, we need declaring an object. It's third object. Those will have 3 on the default. Okay. other properties. Right, so now we get immersion, so I made it in set, okay? So we'll define class here. Obviously you don't need to write this, but I did it for the extra fee. Posted by, and then we'll add a span. And then the third and then I think you can just get it from like a base symbol or something. But there's a bullet point here. And then just show me again. And then 64. So we'll have standard inside. The common inside is fine. Okay. And then we can stand here. There's a full. That's your minutes. Okay, that's our minutes. This was strong. Strong. Sorry, it's here. Like this strong. Define strong here. This is the first one, this is the second, this slash is missing. Okay, so this is how it goes. That's the art, and then I've already written them. So I'll copy it from my Mac now. See, I have some spans here, okay? This is according to the text given by this one. So I put some spans here because there are some gray blanks. Like, okay, so let me show you. See, there are some gray blanks here, and so I use span for them. That's been done. And then I'll write it. Okay, now we're going to start it. Okay, so we declare this is what count. So count function with is the remaining half, so 1000 minus 310, so 630 pixels. It's not exactly 630, but I've added margin left as well. You see margin of 25 pixels, so it adds to the total. So we put this right and right the same 50 pixels and the pattern also adds the pattern, so adds to the total width as well. So we'll use selector, color is 529, 882, font size 42 pixels, pattern is 30 pixels. Content card 590 pixels. Excellent is justified. Gold. And then the span will be color gray. Then we declare a little small keyboard, so just use small and then set the font size for 30 pixels. and this is my book. Okay, very similar to our template given myself. Okay, so we'll make this not look similar. It does not similar. Right. Okay. Next is now finally we have the font family, which I have not defined here in the CSS. Here, when we define font family. As I said, if you can't find, like, if you just use Times New Roman, which is I think sans serif or serif, I think. Keep forgetting to Google it, which is similar. I don't know what I'm Google it for you. Sans serif is serif. That's serif. But if you want this one specifically, you can go to Google Fonts and this is called Able. Yeah, this is called Able, right? Oh, it's called Poppins. Able is also similar, but it's called Poppins. Okay, so we're gonna write Poppins over here. Poppins. Okay. Now your computer doesn't have opens in it, so make a space here, and then go back to this. Over here, find regular. Your regular folder. Click this. Click on link. Okay. Here, click on link. Don't put import. Import is something else. Or you can do import as well. But we'll use link if you want. We can use link. If you use import, you have to put it in the CSS. So you have to put it like separately. But you'll use link because it's much easier. You can put it in the HTML file. So just put this here. Excel gaps. And there you have it. There you go. The zigzag one. Now, additional thing, you can put this if you want, right? This one is only for responsive. I just put it because I accidentally learned it and I can't forget it. It doesn't really change anything. This is amazing to find. See? Doesn't really change. There you go. For some reason, what does it have this? Let me check something. Oh, my one has it. I think it's because like I'm exceeding the thing. I'm gonna press it back. Oh, okay, never mind. It breaks then. I'll just keep it on this. Well, there you have it. I'm done. I'm done with this code. You know what? This is the end. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section.